After that, how we can make the chemical equations more informative? We know chemical equation is generally represented by symbols and formulas. Left side it is known as reactant part, right hand side it is known as product part. Along with that, some if extra is given, so that could convey more about the given chemical change. Like this one, heat is given. If at the end plus heat is given, it means the reaction is exothermic in nature. It is evolving the heat. Heat is given out. Similarly, if here it is heat written, like we have another example, formation of a nitrogen monoxide, so that involves the heat and light also. That reaction is endothermic in nature. Similarly, many more reactions are there which takes place only in the presence of some suitable substance, and that substance we call as catalyst. Like equation is given, nitrogen plus hydrogen, they will combine together to form ammonia. So formation of ammonia is only possible if the temperature is maintained between 400 to 500 degrees Celsius. Iron is used as a catalyst, molybdenum is used as a promoter, and the pressure is maintained up to 200 atmosphere. So all these particulars, they convey the information about the particular chemical equation. Similarly, this particular, like SF it is written, so S stands for solid state, like carbon is in the solid state in this reactant part, oxygen it is in the gaseous form, and carbon dioxide also it is in the gaseous form. Similarly, if G is written here and G here and G here, it means they all are in the gaseous state. Clear? Similarly, if NH3 plus HCl, this one it is a gaseous, this one is also gaseous, so when they combine to form, there is formation of particular ammonium chloride, so that is the solid form, so that represents the another state. So S for solid state, L for liquid state, G for gaseous state, and AQ refers to aqueous solution. Aqueous solution, like when sodium hydroxide NaOH it combines with like NaOH, it is an aqueous solution, it is a base. When it combines with HCl, that is also aqueous, there is formation of NaCl plus water. So water we know it is liquid, NaCl it is also in the aqueous form. So aqueous means a substance which is formed by its dissolution in water, when water is used as a solvent. So that solution is known as aqueous solution, and generally we write AQ. Similarly, color changes also sometimes, like when in the chemical equation it is written below the colors that also make the chemical equation informative, like blue and green. So the change in color, that also is a part of the chemical equation, so that also makes the chemical equation more informative. So all these are the certain codes, certain terms which are used in the chemistry, and these all are included in the language of chemistry. Okay, thank you.